If you don't know how to make money online, if you don't know how to code, if you don't know how to make a website, if you don't know how to speak to a camera, if you don't have no knowledge, no internal knowledge, don't know how to be yourself or any of this, AI is going to replace you, and it already has. And I'm going to tell you why. If you try to call a freaking insurance company, a bank company, if you try to work at McDonald's or any places like that, the first line of people you go through before you call any store is you're going to be going through AI. No, I want you to really test this out. Go call your bank up right now and see who picks up. You know who's gonna pick up? It's gonna say, "This is a automatic voice message. Blah blah blah. What is the problem? Press 1, press 2." That is a bot. That's an AI. Back then, you had called the bank. Someone picked up like, yes, hello. Just hold 1 second. That was a human being to human being. Now it's like you can't even get through a human being. You're going through AI bots, and you're going through all this technology just to even talk to somebody. If you go on your Apple device and you try to get Apple support, I guarantee you, go on Apple support, see who's gonna text you. It's gonna be an AI bot that texts you. Look at Siri. They changing Siri on the new they got Gemini now. That's the new. It's not even Siri anymore. It's Gemini. You gotta understand, we in a new time and age where everything is being digitalized. And if you don't know how to capitalize off this type of stuff, you're going to be left behind, and you're going to be working a job that you don't like. You're going to be doing stuff that you don't want, or you're going to just be, like I said, you're going to be way behind. While people like me or somebody else, they're just chilling, just making videos, or they got a freaking faceless YouTube channel, or they got a faceless TikTok, or they got a faceless Facebook, or the faceless, just all this social media stuff, and they just making money off of it. And it's sad, but this is the harsh reality. A lot of people are just getting replaced, man. It's like, you got to catch on to the game. You got to start making stuff. You got to start creating. And if you don't create, my boy, you're going to be, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't even know what to say to that. Like, I'm just being raw and authentic as possible. Like, if y'all mess with me and you till this video, like, like and subscribe, drop a comment, you feel me? But, like, I know a lot of y'all out there is working, and y'all like, damn, bro, I don't really want to do this anymore, like, and it sucks because, like, somebody can replace you like this, just like a freaking AI can replace all your thinking too. Like, that's how you supposed to think. Remember, AI, when you see AI, or when you see these bots, or when you see all this, don't look at it as a bad thing. You got to look at it as a good thing, because it can kind of kill like two birds with one stone. So, like, if you sitting in the house right now and you probably just scrolling on TikTok, you just scrolling through YouTube, you watching YouTube videos, and you haven't thought about just making one YouTube video, you haven't thought about making one TikTok video, you haven't thought about making one, like, song, or try to start a business or anything, like, you're pretty much just hindering yourself, man. You're hindering yourself for generations and generations to come. Because remember, once you drop a video, it's going to be out there forever, and you can always get that shit monetized. It can always bring in revenue. Unlike a job, you will always have to go into your job, and you always have to clock in for 10 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, and you always have to give up that time in order to get your money. And mind you, you don't even get that money that same day. You get that money 2 weeks from now. Some people only get paid once a month. Some people only get paid after 2 weeks. Some people only get paid every once a week. Like, you got to understand, we're living in today's time where you can see your money like this. You can see your money, you know how much money you're making, and you can get that money instantly. So you got to really think about this type of stuff, man. And you got to really be aware of what's happening around in the surroundings. So yeah, bro, J Nuke out.